update that has actually come in to understand what the top court's decision and verdict has been on the mining tax case. One, what is the impact on companies? What does this case entail as well? Somit is joining in with us to give us those insights. Somit?
Well, it's an important decision that has come in for the metal sector in all. If you see, Supreme Court has now given the state the power to charge royalty, which moreover they can now charge for it with a retrospective effect now, which means that these royalty charges will be applicable from the 1st of April 2005, and these metal companies have a timeline of around next 12 years to make these payments over a staggered manner. Also, Supreme Court has said that the states cannot charge any penalty or interest on this past tax demand. So that's something positive coming in for the companies, given the fact that they have 12 years and no penalty or interest they need to pay on the retrospective demand or the retrospective tax amount that they need to pay. Now, as for Phillip Capital, this announcement is more negative for steel companies. Only Tata Steel so far has given the potential liability of around 17,300 crore rupees. They are also saying that all captive mines will also be impacted going forward, and for steel companies, they are expecting the impact to be anywhere between 2 to 6% of the total market capitalization, but for aluminium companies, they are not expecting much of an impact. Also, Hindalco yesterday on its conference call said that there won't be any retrospective impact on them, and going forward the impact on their EBITDA, consolidated EBITDA, would be just around 0.05%, and the broker is also saying that the aluminium companies impact overall would be just 1 to 2% of the market capitalization, and they are also saying that the only respite that has come in from this order is the fact that the payment is staggered over the next 12 years, and there won't be any interest and penalty that the state companies could charge, which means that the cash flow impact would not be much severe on any of the companies. Apart from that, Nuvama is saying that in worst case, if you see, the Tata Steel impact is around 17,300 crore rupees, which is nearly 14 rupees per share impact. SAIL worst case impact could be close to 3,000 crore rupees, which is a 7 rupees per share impact. For Coal India, the worst case impact could be around 6,000, which is a 10 rupees per share impact, and for JSW Steel, the worst case impact could be close to 5,000 crore rupees, which is a 20 rupees per share impact as per Nuvama. And lastly, for Hindustan Zinc, they're expecting the worst case impact to be close to 2,800 crore rupees, and which translates into a per share amount of close to 6.6 rupees. So that is what the brokerages have so far understood on this Supreme Court announcement that has come in.
Thank you so much for entailing what the impact comes in also for stocks, and what this case order also means that's come out.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.